Everyone, thanks for joining me again. Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, showing you this time the 2024 Yamaha SX220. This is a 22-foot twin-engine jet boat, included with a tandem axle trailer and bimini top. Nice traditional style bow rider here. Let's do a little walk around, show you some of the features that this boat has to offer. Check out the transom on this boat. As you've probably heard me say before, some of the best features on the Yamahas can be found back here in the back. Great place to lounge while you're beached or anchored off for the kids to swim, put out a picnic. Let's get inside and take a look at this boat. As always, take a look at that transom walk through. Cockpit table, that's removable. This boat has the captain and co-captain seating arrangement. Nice wraparound rear transom seating with cooler. Taking a look at the dash, you've got a digital information screen, wireless phone holder and charger, Bluetooth stereo, twin engine controls, a nice compartment here to stick all your beach bags, trash can, ski locker storage, additional storage underneath the driver's side console. Check out how large this bow is. We got the bow cushion in right now that gives you like a nice large platform playpen area. Dedicated front anchor and ladder storage. And just tons of seating and storage on this boat. Great value, a lot of boat for the money, very reliable, great features. And for once, we finally have a great selection of Yamaha boats in stock. And you can see them all here at MarineMax Greenville. Thank y'all so much for joining us.